How to use Insignia in Hero Wars. Now, Insignia are special ascendary items used in the Ascension Spire within the city of Asgard. They're crucial for unlocking higher Ascension ranks for your heroes, boosting their stats, and unlocking skill upgrades. There are 7 types of them, each tied to a hero's primary role, so plus their greater variants needed at higher ranks. Now, in order to use them, you have normal insignias or greater insignias. The normal ones are needed starting at Ascension rank 3, and then the greater insignias are introduced at rank 4, node 8, and rank 5 nodes. Each hero requires insignia matching their primary roles, so a healer hero would need love or greater love insignia. But again, all you have to do to be able to use these insignias is reach those specific ascension ranks and rank nodes. But with that information, that's pretty much how you use the insignias in Hero Wars. But hopefully the information of this video can help you though. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.